Alright, product rule. Let's see, let's work another example of the product rule. Okay, let's say that we had k of x is equal to x plus 1 squared times x minus 1 squared. And we are asked to find the derivative. So we're going to use the product. So I'm going to take the derivative of the first function here. Take the derivative of this. And so that means we're going to be using the chain rule. So I'm going to take the 2, bring it out front, rewrite everything in parentheses, subtracting 1 from this exponent, and then I'm going to rewrite the second function, plus rewrite the first, and now taking the derivative of the second function. So take the 2, bring it out front, subtracting 1 from the exponent, and then taking the derivative of what's inside, chaining it out, it's 1. I think I might have left that off here, but it doesn't matter because the derivative of the inside of the parentheses here is just 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of rewrite this. And I'm going to take this 2 out front. Now you may be asked to factor this guy, and I'm not going to really get into that right now. Okay, we're just focusing on these rules that we're learning. Okay, let's look at another one. No, actually, I have decided to look at another rule. This will be your last rule that you'll have to learn on differentiation. We want to take the derivative of 1 over x. And how are we going to do that? Well, we could rewrite this as f of x is equal to x to the negative 1, and then we could take the derivative of this, take the negative 1 out front, subtract 1 from the exponent, gives us a negative 2, and if we rewrite this, we get negative 1 over x squared. Of course, we'd bring this negative out here in the front, but that's okay. So this would be the derivative of f of x. However, there is another way of doing this, and it's known as using the quotient rule. The quotient rule. And this is how it goes. I'm going to take the derivative of the top, which is 0, times the bottom, minus the top times the derivative of the denominator, which is 1, and it's all over the denominator squared. Yes, that is the quotient rule, and when you simplify this in the top, whoa, and we end up with the same thing as f prime of x. So it may be faster going this route, okay, to find the derivative than using the quotient rule. However, you'll see here in just a minute that we're going to need to do it this way, use the quotient rule, where you can't do it any other way but using the quotient rule.